Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you added an embed like video or YouTube video, Google Map, A-frame, widget, form, calendar, social feed, etc. to your Lovable website, but it's not showing, not showing, appears blank or works in the editor but not on the live sites, don't worry. In Lovable 2026, embed issues are very common and usually caused by wrong embed placements, blocked script, iframe restrictions, HTTPS issues, or mobile visibility settings. So in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix embed not showing in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So there are some common embed not showing symptoms like embed box is empty, shows in editor, disappears live, like loads forever, works on desktop and not on the mobile, embed shows border but not content, third-party widget blocked. Okay, so you can, for example, make sure you are using the correct embed element. So Lovable supports embeds only inside supported blocks. So click add element, choose embed or iframe or HTML, pass the embed code there, don't pass embed code inside normal text blocks. Okay, so you can save and publish after adding the embed. So embeds will not appear live until published. So click save, click publish or update website, refresh the live site. Okay, so editor preview is the opposite of live site. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.